Today I'm going to be going over AMC and GME stock and why I believe a huge move is going to happen this month. But before I do get into why I believe that, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I do update you guys on AMC and GameStop stock every single day. So today, AMC closed above $5 at $5.04, up 1% on the day. We did hit a high of $5.17, so things are looking extremely bullish. We've been getting higher highs and higher lows for 4 days in a row now, and it's looking like it wants to break out past $6. Weibo is indicating that this bull trend could go all the way up to $6.30 to $6.60. I believe it could go up way higher after what we've seen with this stock in the past. And just the fact that it is trading at 50 cents before the reverse split, I mean, there is no saying how high we can go. None of this is financial advice though, and I'm not telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold. But the last time we got a huge spike in volume was January of 2021, and then look what happened only 6 months later. It was a bull cycle for, a good 6 months. And then it came crashing down 99.9%, which brings us to today. AMC is down about 99.9% from its all-time high, if not more. And now we just saw the biggest spike in volume that we've ever seen in history on AMC back in May. So I do believe this year, 2024, is going to be the year that AMC and GME go parabolic. Now, obviously, it's not guaranteed. Anything could happen with AMC and GME stock. They're both risky, but I do like the chances of a short squeeze playing out with this stock once again. Really, if we just go back to $50, which is what we were trading at around a year ago today, it would be over 1,000% gain. And who knows how much you'll make on call options if you're holding calls as well. GameStop, on the other hand, today did close at $23.33, down 5.5% on the news that Roaring Kitty now has 9 million shares of Chewy. So there's a lot of, arguing going on with the GameStop and Chewy situation. People were saying that Roaring Kitty sold his GME to buy Chewy. Some people are saying now he owns 9 million shares of GME and 9 million shares of Chewy. No one knows. No one knows the truth except for Keith Gill. So, everyone's just waiting for a portfolio update. That is what may cause the stock to go parabolic. So if we just see that Roaring Kitty has his 9 million shares, it will send the stock past $30, I do believe, in my opinion. And if he added to his position, it could send the stock to $100. There's no saying how high GameStop could go. I really don't think he would do all this buying just to sell, but you never know. I mean, he might just want to invest in Chewy instead. We really don't know what the hell is going to happen. I don't believe he would abandon GameStop just like that. It's not really like Keith Gill, but I mean, we never know, guys. If he comes out and his portfolio doesn't show any GameStop, we could see this thing crash below $20. Not what we want to see, obviously, but it is a possibility. It can happen. Anything could happen. It is extremely risky. I personally did load into call options on GameStop, $26 call options, some expiring this Friday because freaking YOLO, but most of them expiring late July, like on July 19th, I believe. But in my opinion, GameStop closing under Roaring Kitty's average price, or what his average price was, is, an opportunity. It really is. It went up 5% from $22.31 was its low. It was trading at around $23.70, so that's a little gain right there. AMC, though, is just in this constant bull trend. For 4 days, it's been green ever since we called out this bullish bat, and then we got this cup and handle right here, way at the bottom at $4.30. We got a cup and handle. Ever since then, it's been freaking green. Right now, my calls are green, and they are in the money right now. I'm not selling a single call because I do believe AMC is going to go higher, and I could be wrong. I could lose it freaking all, but YOLO. Freaking YOLO. I am in this for the squeeze. So Roaring Kitty has been sued for securities fraud over his role in promoting GameStop. Everyone was talking about this in the morning. It came out. It was all over X, and not even 12 hours later, the case has already been dismissed. We knew this case had no chance in court, and we are ready to short squeeze now. GME and Chewy squeeze to $150 incoming. Now, I don't know which one it is going to be, GME or Chewy. I really do hope Roaring Kitty didn't sell his shares. If he did, a lot of people can be screwed because it will drop the price. I mean, everyone knows it will drop the price. People will sell. People will lose their freaking mind. I don't know if he wants to sacrifice being the 4th largest shareholder of GameStop, but I mean, we never know with this guy. We never know. He left for 3 years. Now he's back. We just don't know. That's just it. I mean, I do have post notifications on Reddit for deep effing value, and I'm just waiting for him to post an update. So until we have his update, then we'll really know what the hell is going on. So Patient Whale said, breaking, AMC is trending for a massive move. We've been tracking this almost every single day, ever since freaking its bottom at $4.33. Today we hit a high of $5.17, almost up basically over 20% from that low, and I do believe it is going to break out to $6 this week. It could happen this week. Anything could happen, and it could be way higher. That's just the price target that Webull is indicating right now. $6.30 to $6.60. It could be $10. It could be $20. We saw AMC go from $2.90 to $13.50 within 2 days. So imagine what could happen in 3 days. Imagine what could happen in a month, in 3 months, in a year. I mean, we could see some crazy events. And Ken Griffin over here talking about catastrophic events. I think he knows he screwed up. I think he knows he screwed up big time. This guy said, considering we will finish Q2 domestic box office over 1.94 billion and we're contemplating 1.5 billion to 1.6 billion a few weeks ago, pop some bubbly, fam. To those of you out there watching movies like me, cheers. Upward box office from here. So the Q2 box office closed at $1.94 billion for Q2, and it is all up from here. Even Adam Aaron said it, that the first 2 quarters of 2024 are going to be, pretty bad. They're going to be disappointing, but it's simply because of the movies. There wasn't a lot of movies coming out. Now we got movies coming out almost every week for the next freaking 3 years. And, movie producers are back. They want to produce as much movies, make as much money as they possibly can. They're seeing that the movies are back, making over freaking $1 billion in 3 weeks. Insane. Inside Out 2 already reached over $1 billion, looking at $1.5 billion. Despicable Me looking at another $1 billion. Deadpool and Wolverine looking at another $1 billion, possibly $2 billion. The sky is the limit, and there's unlimited movies coming out. There's unlimited movies being produced. It's an unlimited money glitch. I mean, it's unlimited. It's never ending. And AMC isn't just any movie theater chain, but the biggest movie theater chain in the world, trading at 50 cents. I don't think it makes sense. I think it's going to make a recovery. I think it's going to pay off its debt. And I don't see AMC closing down. I mean, what the hell, I don't think Hollywood would let AMC shut down or go bankrupt. I don't think that's an option, but anything is possible. You're taking a huge risk investing into AMC stock, but with great risk comes great reward. That's how I play the game. I love the stock, and I do think it's undervalued. I think it should at least minimum be trading at least $40. That is just my opinion. I mean, $40 is $4 before the split. So I did just make this post 49 minutes ago. If you haven't followed me on X, make sure to go follow me. My username is Mikey's_money. I said something is brewing. So AMC just posted, fireworks aren't the only thing poppin'. Grab a microwave box or ready-to-eat bag of AMC Theaters Perfectly Popcorn to celebrate this holiday. Available at select retailers and online. Just look at that. That is what we're going to be seeing when AMC goes to the frickin' moon. In 2021, before the squeeze, AMC did post that they were giving away free stuff to investors who invest in AMC stock. 3 years later, they did the same exact thing with Adam Aaron's last tweet. Adam Aaron did announce that they're giving a free IC to shareholders that are in Investor Connect. So that itself could be giving you signs, hey, get the free IC, invest in AMC. Obviously, don't listen to me. This isn't financial advice. Please don't make any financial decisions based on this video. I'm just saying, if I had $1 million cash right now, I would genuinely put in $500,000 into AMC and buy 100,000 shares. That is what I would do. If it goes lower, I would screw it. Put another $250,000. That is literally what I would do if I had $1 million right now. I'm not even joking with anyone. That is how bullish I am on AMC. I would put half of everything in AMC, if not more. I already have 90% of my life savings in AMC. That is how much I believe that AMC is undervalued. So reports that Robinhood is down while AMC is in the green. Again, so a lot of people were telling me on X that they had issues buying AMC or buying calls on AMC on Robinhood, in the morning when AMC broke past $5. I don't know what the frick Robinhood was doing. And this was in the morning, 3 different AMC bullish indicators. I guess I'm not the only one. Webull is extremely bullish on AMC. Everything on the chart is bullish. There's nothing bearish about it. We just broke out to $13.50. It happened for a reason. It happened for a reason. In 2 days, guys, not a week, not a month, in 2 days, from $2.90 to $13.50. I remember like it was yesterday. I was making a video before going to work, and AMC was trading like, up at $3.10, up like 5%. Boom. 2 days later, $13.50. Boom, squeeze, 500%. Freaking crazy. And I think this is just a little taste. of what's to come. I really do. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. The market is going to be closed on Thursday, so we only got 3 more trading days this week, and I do believe that AMC and GME can see a huge move over the next 3 trading days. But I will keep you guys updated on what happens with AMC and GME stock, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go, come on, push it.